What's up, guys? Dave Fixing for Fun. It is about 9 degrees out, and today we're going to pull the head off this backhoe. So we're going to do it quick, and I'm not going to be doing a ton of talking, so you guys should enjoy that. First thing we're going to do is pull the hood, the coolant, disconnect a few things, pop that head off, and now I can go and warm up. So okay, so there's a lot of play in the shifter. So since I'm getting the head off and going deep in, I said I might as well take the fuel tank off and fix that. When I'm trying to fight and get out, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. There's a bolt back there holding the back of the tank on. And I can barely get my hand in there. That's probably not going back in if I can get it out. Just saying. Okay, now since it's the middle of January, it's actually February, but we're going to spray everything down with just some silicone spray. To do nothing other than try and keep this from rusting up. We're going to tarp it and everything, but we'll see what happens. Just if we can prevent it from rusting, we're going to. Okay guys, so here's the head. It's all cleaned up, ready to go to the machine shop tomorrow. They're going to inspect it, deck it, and give it back to me. So someone's been in there before I have. As you can see, it's blue and everything else is yellow. So someone was in there at some point in its life. So we're going to get it all flattened out, and then the head gasket will seal good and should take care of all my issues. So we'll see you on the next video.